Well, Yahoo! Our blizzard warning, at least in the valley, has expired. Here's a look at Grand Forks from the UND Skycam at 6:10 p.m. on this Friday. Currently minus 5, 32 degree below zero wind chill, and 24-mile-an-hour winds yet out of the north with gusts up to 32. So while that blizzard warning has expired, it's still poor driving conditions, especially out in the country in open areas. So be wary of that. Still might be a good evening to stay home without traveling out of town wherever you live. But things should be getting a bit better, but our blizzard warning has expired. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.